Good morning, everyone. Good morning, dear investor. I have a great idea for a product that uses your amazing new technology. What is wind turbine? If you're not basic, I'd like to take some time to explain it. What it does, you can use is to store early energy for later to convert the electric energy. This wind turbine is different from other turbines because it has nanotube or nano or carbon that improve product durability. It is small and compact. The halo easy transport, thus no hard environment. How this useful? It's useful for take advantage of wind energy from the environment and then store it in containers and electric energy. Rotating blades that are connected to an electronic system that converts the movement of the blades due to their current to electrical energy. Who should buy it? It's designed for the be able to join between more wind turbine and obtain greater wind energy. Can be placed in many places and does not require sophisticated maintenance. The Medellin Metro has a potential space for obtain electrical energy. The Metro Medellin goes at the high speed that generate high currents along its roads. This can be used to take to heat electricity. A 1 hour ride on the Metro Medellin could be stored enough electrical energy to light a home all day. In conclusion, this is a great opportunity to acquire a product that not require a lot of investment to buy one of them. It uses new technology such as nanotechnology and has no negative consequence for the environment. Thank you everyone.